Another device with amazing sound and unbelievable bass and so small. Just this thing looks like an ice cream container. Now, here I have a portable Bluetooth speaker. Let me show you this right now. How are you doing, guys? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. Listen, that's an amazing sound. Real small. This is a USB portable speaker. And the appliance has this cool packaging. So this is a speaker. Again, negative on the side. Check this out. I love the design. I love the way it is. This is the ring color here, red. That right there, it lets you know it's on. See right now, I already paired. But when you turn it on, it starts blinking there. But I'm going to change camera so I can show you better. So let's take a look. So right over here, we got the light. And right here is where you control your speaker. Press right there. And it starts playing. Pause it. We can regulate the volume, and here we can change the cue by just touching here. See, every time I touch, let me see right there, it blinks, so changing the cue. Now from the side, we power it on. You can put it up to 8 hours. You charge with the micro USB here, right there, and here we can connect and another type of input right to the speaker. Now the nice thing about the speaker allow you to pair two of this or one more, and you can have a 360-degree sound. This one has a great stereo. Now one thing, this thing has a lot of bass. A little speaker you put right over here and the whole table vibrate. That was amazing sound from one little tiny speaker. Now I love the box. Comes with a nice feels like it's ice cream type of thing. So we got instructions how to pair. Very simple. It will work for your Android phone or any device that has a Bluetooth. Right in the bottom, we get the cables. Let's see. See, right over here, we have. That's real nice. Let me open this. I never open these parts because I do have extra cables always around. So here we have the. Let's take this. So we get to use connected to another device, the input, and the nice red color use USB, micro USB flat cable. Now let's play this for 1 second. Now like I said before, I really love the design. I'm going to be playing now. So I don't think you will hear the difference here, but believe me, this has, so press. Oh, and by the way, you can answer the phone call and it has a mic too. So over there it has a symbol of the phone call. So somebody will call now, I can answer the phone from here and use as a speakerphone with the mic included. So let's play, just press 1. This thing plays. I don't know if you can, but the bass is unbelievable. And then this thing goes like, that's loud. And I can change the cue. Definitely. If you want one little speaker that has a lot of power, a lot of bass, and you can answer the phone call, you can play it up to 8 hours, definitely that's the speaker for you. To get more info about this beautiful, it looks like a bowl or something, I don't know. Just check the link below. Definitely you'll be amazing how this thing sounds.